Rob. No, the seeds. Burritos. Black. My toothbrush. Lots of pot to smoke. My Yahoo mailbox. I paint.
Well, a juggernaut is an unstoppable force of power. And there's many different connotations, and one of which is the will of the people. Like you can have a political juggernaut, and that's like the will of the people. And the idea that's happened here is that it was an unstoppable force of fate, of who knows, but it changed my life. It changed the lives of everybody in the band because we put so much time and effort and our lifeblood into this. It needed justice. So that's where the title came from. It's an unstoppable force of justice. We went to Los Angeles and we recorded our bed tracks at Dave Grohl's studio.
Studio 606.
Yeah. When the movie was up for a Spirit Award, which is part of the Academy Awards, that's what this is from. Part of the Academy Awards, but for independent movies, he was asked by VH1 to come down and introduce the band because we were playing at the award show. And he basically, yeah, I'm there. And, he showed up to the award show bringing gifts. One particular gift, one of his Dave Grohl's signature guitars, he gave it to me as a gift. And after we played, he came up to us and proposed that we have to come to his studio and record. And if we refuse, he'll never talk to us again.
He just gave us his studio. Right. That was it. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Bob Marley. Bob Marley. There's a lot more bands, there's a lot more noise, and there's a lot less talent. That's how I see it. There's so many that I can't remember any of them.
It's not very complicated. That's why things last. You keep it uncomplicated and you don't screw around with shit, and be faithful to each other and dedicated to each other and to the band. It can go forever. Why can't it?
We make music together. That's the basis for all of it, you know? We're bonded by this band, and that's it. Try to avoid it.
Yeah.
He loves to argue with himself.
2.5 years it took to get an argument when they're filming us, so it doesn't happen very often.
The whole movie's real.
Everything that happens is what happened. You can't plan that. But the best thing is I'd have a heads up, like particularly the call from Chris Tangarides. I've been trying to get, you know, we're waiting to hear back from him. He had sent me an email, I'm going to call you in about an hour and a half when I finish some tracks here. So I picked up the phone, quick, get over here. Tangarides is calling me with the answer whether we're going to do the album with him or not. So the guy came with the camera, because it has to be real. So it was always that kind of thing. There was never reenactments. You know, it's like
there's no script.
There's no script. Absolutely.
Absolutely. Oh, yeah. Movie made us very, very famous people.
Now all we have to do is start selling music.
Yeah. Now we're trying to get the music to meet the fame, and I think it's all good. It's still good now. We're still having a great time.
No more delivering children's food.
We can stay alive for music.
Survival.
Yeah. Europeans are in it for the right reasons, and North Americans are only in it when they're told to get into it. That's the difference.
Everything is
People
about
in Europe
trend.
are about true art. They like something, they love it forever. It's real here, fake there. Looking forward to making new friends.
Oh, we have a small present for you. It's a goodie from Austria.
Oh, these. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, what are the wafers?
Yep.
Perfect. This is my dinner.
Yeah, not really.
Could be mine too.